Hello friends, welcome to Textile. We all use different Arduino board in different electronics project. Among the all Arduino board, Arduino Uno is my favorite as I can easily replace the microcontroller if it damaged. But the problem is due to its greater size, I cannot use Arduino Uno in my all electronics project. So I have to go for Arduino Nano. But for Arduino Nano, if the microcontroller is damaged due to any reason, then I cannot replace the microcontroller. I have to get new Arduino Nano. So if you have a circuit where you can easily replace the microcontroller if it damaged and the circuit is small enough to fit any of my electronics project, then I should definitely go for that circuit. So in this video we are going to talk about this Arduino board where you can easily replace the microcontroller like Arduino Uno, and the size of the circuit is smaller than the Arduino Uno. So I can easily fit this circuit in any of my electronics project, as you can see, and it has all the digital and analog pin of Arduinos, so it has all the features of the Arduino. Now as you can see, I can use this new Arduino board in my different electronics project. You can easily upload any Arduino sketch to this microcontroller and use this circuit instead of any Arduino board. During the video I will share the circuit diagram, breadboard schematic and the required component list so that you can also design your own customized Arduino for your different electronics project. And if you like this Arduino board, I will share the Java file of this PCB in the description. You can also order the same PCB which we will discuss in today's video. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB, which is one of the largest PCB manufacturer in world. You just have to pay only $2 for 10 set of PCB of dimension 10 by 10 cm. To get this PCB, first you have to download the Java file from the video description. Then you have to visit jlcpcb.com. After login, you have to click on quote now. Then you have to upload the Java file which you have downloaded. After selecting all the parameters, you can see I have to pay only $2 for 10 PCB. For more details, please visit jlcpcb.com. The link given in the description. Now let's unpack this PCB. Now you can see the quality of the PCB is really good in this affordable price range. So now let's see what are the components required to make this Arduino board. atmega328p microcontroller with Arduino bootloader. Here P indicate bootloader is already installed to this microcontroller. It is always better to use the microcontroller with Arduino bootloader. It will save you a lot of time. 28 pin IC base for the microcontroller. 16 MHz crystal. AMS 11117 voltage regulator, which is a 5 volt regulator. IN4001 Diode, a 5 mm LED, a 10 microfarad capacitor, a 100 nanofarad ceramic capacitor, 22 picofarad ceramic capacitor, 470 ohm resistor, 10 kilo ohm resistor, a push switch for reset button, a USB to serial board to program the microcontroller, or you can also use Arduino Uno to program this microcontroller. And at last we will need this PCB to place all these components to make our new Arduino board. Before placing the components on the PCB, let's see the breadboard schematic. If you want to make the circuit on the breadboard, then you can refer this schematic. I have made also a video how to make Arduino on breadboard. You can also check out that video. I have given the link in the description. So now we will place the components on the PCB. As you can see, all the components rating marked clearly on the PCB, so we can easily put the components on this PCB. Now we will quickly place all the components on this PCB and solder the components so that we can test the circuit. Now you can see we have soldered all the components. So now we will place the microcontroller on this PCB. You can see this is the notch of the microcontroller. So I will place the microcontroller accordingly. Now we are going to connect this USB to serial board with this new Arduino board. As you can see, the connection is very simple. We have to connect VCC to VCC pin, ground to ground, DTR pin to DTR pin, RX pin to TX pin and TX pin to RX pin. You can see we have connected this Arduino board with this USB to serial board. So now I am going to connect this USB to serial board with my laptop to upload a sketch with microcontroller. First we will upload a blink sketch. For that we will go to file, example, basic, then we will choose the blink sketch. You can see this is a blink sketch which we are going to upload to our new Arduino board. Now before uploading, we have to choose a proper port and we have to choose the Arduino Uno board from this tool menu. Now after choosing that, we can click on the upload button to upload the code to our new Arduino board. Now you can see the code is uploading. Now after that, we will disconnect the USB to serial board from our Arduino, and now we will connect a LED with our digital pin 13. You can see, and I have connected 220 ohm resistor. Now we will give supply to the circuit from a mobile charger. As we upload the blink sketch, the LED start blinking after every 1 second. Like that, we can upload any other Arduino sketch to this microcontroller. Let me show you. Now we are going to upload another sketch to our new Arduino. So for that, again I will go to file, example, and now we'll upload the code for servo motor. So you can see this is the sketch for servo motor. Let's change the pin number. Here I will use another pin, say 6, which is also a PWM pin. So now I am going to upload this sketch to our new Arduino. Before uploading the code, I have to select the Arduino board and the proper port, and now we can click on the upload button. Now the code is uploading, as you can see. Now the code is uploaded to our new Arduino. We will disconnect this USB to serial board. Now you can connect the 5-volt supply. So I will connect the positive terminal with a 5-volt pin and negative terminal with the ground pin. And now we are going to connect this servo motor. This red wire will go to 5-volt pin, and this brown wire will go to ground pin, and this orange wire will go to pin 6. And you can see the servo motor is start rotating. So you can use this new Arduino in your any Arduino project. You can upload any Arduino sketch and use this circuit in your different project. And I have already explained the features of this circuit. If you want to make the circuit on the breadboard, then I have already made a video how to build a Arduino on breadboard. You can also check that video. I have given the link in the description. Now if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.